Hey guys, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another No Gadget Needed project. Today we are making this super simple and very cute sour cream container. How darting is that? Alright, so to get started you just need very few supplies. A piece of pattern paper, you want that to measure 4.5 by 6. A piece for the greeting here, this is 1 1/4 by 2. So the first thing we're going to do is flip our paper over. And we're going to take some sticky strip. You want to use a strong glue here. And you want to put it on one short side. And you want to go as close to the edge as you can. And then one long side. And I've seen these made so many different ways. You can make them all different sizes as well. I like this size. But I've seen them made where people would put glue on all 3 sides. I like the 2, and I will share with you guys why. Alright, so you take your bone folder and give it a little rub. And now we're going to take off just the short piece. Just take that piece off. So we still have our glue here. Take this and you're just going to roll it over and line it up on the bottom. Give it a pinch so it stays there. Then just kind of walk it up to the front. Okay? Just like that. Very, very cute. Alright, so now what we want to do is take the adhesive off the bottom piece here. And we're just going to go ahead and take that, poke it. We're going to rub that really good. There we go. Just go in there and poke it. You can also take this off before as well. Alright, so now we have the glue exposed here, no glue here, and we have our seam. You want to pinch your seam so it's in the middle. Okay, just like that. So that ends closed with our seam there. And then this one, we're going to go this way with it. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so our seam is down the middle. You want to pinch the bottom. Then the other one, we're going to pinch the other direction. Okay, just like that. Alright, so this part is completely shut. This one is open so you can easily access the treats. So to close that, we're just going to take a hole punch. I'm using my big bite. And just in the middle. So the ones I've seen that had glue on all 3 sides, this part was sealed shut as well. Which means, you know, you would have to tear the container apart to access the treats. I like this method better. It still keeps it closed. It still keeps the treats in there. Alright, so we have our little piece here for our stamping. I'm using one from Stamps of Life. This is called Typewriter. I'm using the one that says Happy Birthday, and I'm just using a green ink. It does not match my cardstock, but that's okay. Alright, ink that up, and I'm going to stamp this on the corner on an angle. Super, oop, kind of off on that one. Let me try that again. A little bit closer. Okay, much better. Alright, so now we're going to take our big bite, or a hole punch, whatever you have. If you don't have a hole punch, use a little something that you can create a hole with. You know, use like a little pin, and then take scissors in there to make a hole. And I'm going to take a brad, and I just colored this with a black Sharpie. And we're going to put that in there through that hole, and then you're going to fill it with your candy. Close that. Then put your little greeting on. This would be so much fun for birthday parties because you can make so many of these. I mean, you could just do an assembly line. Super cute. Alright, so there's that one, and there's that one. And how cute would they be for to go in a goodie bag or just on the table? You could put names on them. And I do have this one filled with some treats so you can see. It's jam-packed in there with treats. But I like, again, just really cute. I like these a lot. As I said, they're very, very simple and easy to make. Alright guys, there you have it. A super simple sour cream container. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.